Regarding Kulsi power project, today we have in principle decided that Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya will jointly work on that project, will jointly commission that project. That is a 55 megawatt of power. However, before actually going ahead, the opinion of local people is very, very important, because there will be some dislocation. So Meghalaya and Assam will talk to the local people, will take complete support from them, will take total confidence from them, and thereafter both Assam and Meghalaya will jointly go ahead with the project.
It's a project which is clearly a win-win situation for both the states. Whether it is power production, whether it is irrigation, or whether it's development of tourism. In all three fronts and many more, both the states will benefit. And hence, we have decided, with the condition, of course, that the people living in those areas will be taken into confidence. Discussions will be held with them, and we'll find a way forward on how we could take this project ahead. And today, in principle, both the governments have decided that we will work together